So, you're on the fence. Should you stick with the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra or take the leap to Samsung's latest powerhouse, the S10 Ultra? Or maybe you're new to the Galaxy Tab lineup and can't decide which one is really worth your investment. Is the S10 Ultra, with its over $1,000 price tag, bringing enough upgrades to make it the obvious choice? Or is the discounted S9 Ultra still the better bang for your buck? From design to performance, and all those little details in between, we'll break it all down to help you make the right decision. Let's jump in and find out which one earns your money. If you were expecting a major design overhaul with the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, you might find yourself a bit underwhelmed. There are only 4 minor updates, and while a few, like the contrast-colored camera rings and the slightly enhanced S Pen, may help show off that you've got the latest model, the rest of the changes are barely noticeable. The Tab S10 Ultra retains the same dimensions as the last 2 generations, along with the same notch, speaker placement, and durability. Yes, it's a bit thinner and about 10 grams lighter, but good luck feeling that difference. Your hands probably won't. When it comes to the display, there's only one change, but it's a meaningful one. The Tab S10 Ultra sticks to the familiar 120Hz refresh rate and brightness levels, which still look great indoors, but can struggle outdoors due to reflections. However, this time Samsung has added an anti-reflective coating, similar to what we saw with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This feature makes a real difference in bright outdoor conditions, significantly cutting down on glare and improving visibility. Underneath the display, things haven't changed much. The same optical fingerprint scanner is carried over from previous models. Surprising, given the price tag on this premium tablet. So, design-wise, you're not looking at anything groundbreaking. But does the story change on the inside? Moving to the cameras, it's no secret that tablets aren't known for their cutting-edge photography. In the S10 Ultra, this holds true. Apart from those flashy camera rings, the front and back cameras remain largely unchanged. So if you're looking for a significant camera upgrade, you won't find it here. In short, while the design tweaks might not justify an upgrade for most users, the key difference lies in the display's usability, particularly outdoors. But with so many similarities to the previous generation, is the S10 Ultra truly worth the premium price tag? That's what we'll be exploring further. The cameras on the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra are identical to those on the S9 Ultra, with no new features or enhancements. But the similarities don't end there. There's no difference in battery capacity, charging speed, RAM, or internal storage between the 2 models. However, if you're someone who relies on expandable storage, the S10 Ultra does support higher memory capacity than the S9, giving it a slight edge in that department. Connectivity is where the Tab S10 Ultra starts to pull ahead, with support for Wi-Fi 7, a notable improvement over the previous generation. It also comes with a marginally larger cooling chamber, which could help with sustained performance during intensive tasks. But the real game changer here is the processor. Instead of the usual Qualcomm Snapdragon chip, Samsung has opted for the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 in the Tab S10 Ultra. While you might initially feel unsure about this switch, don't be. The Dimensity 9300 is a flagship processor with some impressive advantages. It boasts a 6% faster CPU speed, a 20% increase in memory bandwidth, a 91% better GPU frequency, and a host of benefits in AI and machine learning tasks. 4 AI-driven features and overall performance. This is a serious upgrade, and perhaps the most compelling reason to choose the S10 Ultra. However, it's important to note that the Tab S9 Ultra is no slouch. If you own one, chances are you've never felt it lag or slow down, even with demanding tasks. It already handles many of Samsung's AI features with ease, and the new Galaxy AI-enabled accessories, like the updated keyboard with a dedicated AI button, are fully compatible with the S9 Ultra. While the S10 Ultra will get 7 years of software updates, the S9 Ultra still has 3 years of support remaining, and history shows us that exclusive AI features usually trickle down to older models, just as we saw with the Galaxy Fold 6 features. So, the question remains, is it worth upgrading? If you're focused on saving money, the discounted S9 Ultra may be the better deal. The upgrades in the S10 Ultra, while notable, don't feel revolutionary enough to justify the premium price, especially with the Tab S9 Ultra still being an exceptional device. It might be worth holding out for the Tab